today with another video. I've been MIA for a while due to life being crazy at the salon, but I have tons of requests from you guys to do a makeup tutorial of my everyday look as well as how I apply my lashes. I also got a new camera, so I hope the better quality can help as well. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be using this True Blend Concealer by CoverGirl in the shade Ivory. I love this concealer because it gives a beautiful coverage and blends amazingly and is so cheap. I got this at Walmart actually for like $8 I think. I lightly dab it on my buffing brush and I'm going in circular and dabbing motions underneath my eye where there are dark circles to make my eyes appear brighter, and doing just this alone, you can see the world of difference it makes. I'm going to go in with my blending brush and kind of press the powder into where I applied the concealer. I'm using this Photo Focus Loose Powder by Wet n Wild, also at Walmart. And to make my eyes also look more open, I will use this white eyeliner by Wet n Wild to line my lower waterline and inner corners. I'm going to move on to my brows and use this pencil by e.l.f. in the shade Top and just lightly line and fill in as needed. And then I'm also going to use this brow gel by NYX called Brow Glue. I just got this recently and it holds up amazingly. I adore it and I'm a huge fan of using brow gel now versus without because it gives your brows a nice lift, which is perfect for that everyday clean look. Call me old school, but I'm using the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay, and I'm using the very last two shades, the brown one to line my lower lash line and the black to do a small wing on my lids. The reason why I don't use a straight eyeliner pencil is because I feel that it's too harsh of a line, and I like the more subtle, blended look that using eyeshadow does. I am a huge fan of the Essence mascara. I used to use the purple label one, but thought I would try this one. But I think I still prefer the purple as it gives more mascara than the Swan does, if that makes any sense. And to set everything, I'm using these demi-wispy lashes and lash glue by Ardell. I'm using a thin line of glue along the strip and then letting it dry for at least 30 seconds so it's tacky. I'll apply them using the curved lash tweezers I showed. Without these, it would honestly be pretty difficult, but if you have even regular tweezers, then that should work. And I'm just going to press them into place and kind of hold them to my natural lashes a bit to blend them in. And I usually don't wear lip gloss, but today I feel like it, so I'm going to. Last but not least, we're going to use setting spray to seal everything. that pretty much sums up my tutorial. If you liked it, please leave a comment below, like this video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.